Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Stanley FATMAX POWERiT 1000 amp multi-jump pack. And the nice thing about these is you can charge them up and you can leave them in your car. Let's say you do something stupid like leave your dome light on or leave your lights on or something. This is going to get your car started for you. It's got a 1000 amp peak, 500 amp instant. It can do an alternator check, and like I said before, it is rechargeable. The one big thing that's really nice about this is times like when you have a bad storm come over or something and power lines go down, your power goes off, the kids are not gonna kill their devices. It's got 4 USB charging ports on there, and from what I see here with 6.2 amps, it's probably going to be charging pretty quick. And it's also got a built-in air compressor, and it will inflate up to, I believe, 120 psi. I have used it once inflating a tire, and was taking quite a while, so it's not the greatest air compressor. You can also inflate footballs, soccer balls, any type of ball that has that needle to fill with. This will work on AGM gel and wet type of batteries. So let's open it up and take a look. Here's what's in your box. Your registration card, which I'm sure you can also do online. You get a needle for filling any sort of ball you may have that has to do with sports. Here's your user's manual. Here's the cable you'll be using for jump starting your car, neatly packaged. A little spot on here where you can hook it back on so it's not going to fall off. Same thing with the negative. Turn it on. Give you all sorts of information. Shows that how much battery life is in this. Very nice LED light on here. Now here's where you take and plug a regular like extension cord in to charge this unit up. That's how you turn your USB power on and off. And all these are 6.2 amp. Now when you have your cables hooked up to your battery, you can give your battery status. You can also test your alternator, and you can jump start. And here's the other function that's nice. It's got a built-in compressor. So I'm sure I'm probably a little bit too low. Now I did use the compressor on this once before. Let's turn it off. Now my one gripe about this is it's not a very long cable. Now if they want you to use it like this, that is maybe 2 feet coming out of this. Now, I'm not a fan of this tightening system that they put on here. I like the more flip over levers, but my other one that I have had a flip up lever and was cold out, and when it flipped over, it actually broke apart and snapped. For me, having a 1000 amp of power here is a big plus. I'm going to be able to start anything. You know, I'd much rather pull a jump pack and start my car or someone else's car than going through the problems of hooking up jumper cables. You know, for some people it's, why put your vehicle at risk jumping someone else's car, because you don't know what's going to happen. Anything could happen. Well, I picked this one up at Sam's Club. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it's a pretty good price. And I will get a lot of use out of it. So that's all I have for today. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.